I am going to try to talk and I can't. Will you mute that, please? Hello, welcome. Where's my coffee? Welcome, Coffee with Kayla. I love you a latte. Oops. I'm going to try this keto friendly brownie mix. No sugar allowed is the company. I saw it on an Instagram story, and me and my husband love us some sweets, so this is supposed to be 3 net carbs, so not too bad, 9 grams of protein and only 1 gram of sugar. So I got it off of Amazon and we're going to make it tonight and try it. You have 2 options to make them. You can put them in the oven or the microwave, and I always feel like oven's better and hopefully it'll make it more fudgier. So I'm going to make them and we're gonna test them out tonight. So stick around. Ooh, a mix. I think this is peanut butter. Ooh, peanut butter and chocolate frosting in here. More peanut butter. Chocolate chips. Nuts. Gotta have my nuts. Cute little pans. There's 6 servings in here. So you got your little tin pans, cups, and then lids for them. And it also says on here that you can freeze them. Seriously, I swear I just read that. The box says all you need is water and love. And I'm hoping I love these. Babe, are you excited for the brownies?
Heck yeah.
Oh, guys. It smells so good. Alright, apple water. Wouldn't it be cool if you could smell through the TV one day?
I know. That'll be like the next big revolution in TV.
That'd be insane. If Taco Bell had the smell through commercials, that would be insane. Smell Taco Bell, I'd be there in a heartbeat. It's really hard to get the clumps all out, but you know what? I'm just gonna roll with it. Doesn't taste too bad. Fill each cup halfway, ensuring that batter spreads evenly. There's a mix in the pans. There's a close-up of the box. Some nuts, chocolate chips, and the peanut butter. They're a little clumpy, and it says fill them halfway, but most of them are more than half. Oh, I'm gonna leave 1 out for the microwave. But I'm gonna put 5 in the oven, and it says cook for 10 minutes. Okay, so they're all out of the oven. This one is the microwave one. It's not as, ooh, these are like soft. Hopefully they're fudgy on the inside. So I'm gonna decorate one. Gonna put some peanut butter on. Oh my gosh. Yummy. With some nuts. Dogs are coming over because I heard the whipped cream can. I don't like when that's on mine, but I'm gonna try it. It has peanut butter and chocolate chips. It's actually really good. I'll get it again. I recommend it. It's not bad. I like it. I got it on Amazon. It was 20 bucks. Yeah, it's a little expensive, but if you want to splurge, if you want something sweet for your sweet tooth, I think it's perfect. I will definitely be buying it again. I'll put the link down on where to find it. So, you know, try it out for yourself. And my husband tried the microwave one and he still really liked it. So you can do microwave or oven. I always like the oven better. I always feel like it tastes better. But he said he couldn't really tell a difference. But you know, men, they'll eat anything. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't, don't hit the thumbs down. Subscribe to my channel. I'm really new. I'm trying to learn as fast as I can so I can give y'all the best videos. But all right, thanks y'all. Have a good night. Bye.